to PKT's channel, it's Cici. Today we are going to visit Accent Group to discover the story behind alternators. No further ado, let's jump the start. The principle of an alternator is to convert mechanical energy into electrical energy,
supplying power to all of the electrical equipment and charging the battery.
Our alternators can apply to most commercial vehicles and excavators, and provide a product warranty for 3 years or 50,000 kilometers.
Now let's move on to see how a high-quality alternator is produced. This is a storage room for raw materials.
After the raw materials are die-casted into aluminum covers, they must be processed and tested before being put into the storage room.
Next, let's see the production process of electronic coil, an important part of the alternator. In this process, the quality of copper wire is really critical, which will directly affect product performance. Therefore, the copper wires we use are in line with the GBT 6109 standard, and we will recheck the performance through IQC. By inserting paper, welding, wiring, and shaping, a coil is initially formed.
Next, there is a comprehensive performance test to ensure the quality of the coil.
This red line represents it is underqualified. The qualified coil shall be painted to fix the copper wire, which can prevent it from oxidation. We use epoxy resin to enhance the installation of copper wire and make the power generation more stable. Finally, return the completed coils to the test bench for testing. We must ensure that the products are 100% qualified before being put in storage. After the required parts are processed, it is time to assemble. Firstly, we can see the status of each product directly through transmitted installation data on a screen and ensure the installation accuracy. The second step is rotor polishing, which might be ignored by many manufacturers. Due to insufficient lightning, there will be dust and burrs on many products, which causes serious working problems such as circuit breakage. Therefore, a more precise automatic polishing machine guarantees the conductivity and stability of the products. The third step is to press the rear bearing. The next step is to install the pulley. The degree of tightness will affect the performance of the product. So we introduced advanced intelligent equipment that can install according to standard torque. After fitting all the parts together and welding, a delicate alternator is produced.
Do you think it is over? Of course not. Every product must undergo a rigorous rechecking process.
Workers will pack products with plastic wrap for a final test to ensure the performance is stable. Only when the product passes the test will there be an issued corresponding inspection report. Then it can be delivered to our customers. After completing the test, the alternators will be marked, packed, and stored. As a leader in professional researching, developing, and manufacturing alternators, we always believe that science and technology are primary productive forces. We've introduced sophisticated testing equipment for support and invested a lot of energy to pass strict third-party inspections and certifications, such as IAT F16949, CE, etc. With these professional advantages, we do OEM for more than 70% of the main engines in China. That's why customers can trust our product quality in the aftermarket.
Apart from this, we also produce filters, web motors, starters, etc. If you are interested and want to know more details, please send us emails or leave comments below. See you in the next video. Bye bye.